Have you ever wanted to speak Arabic but didn't know where to start? Welcome to Arabic for Absolute Beginners. We'll start with the basics, greetings you'll actually use in real conversations. From marhaba to assalamu alaikum, you'll learn how to greet people naturally and confidently. Next, you'll learn how to introduce yourself, ask someone's name, and handle those first moments of a conversation. Then, we'll make numbers simple, from 1 to 10, and show you how they connect to everyday situations like prices and ages. You'll also learn practical phrases you'll reach for again and again. And if you don't understand, don't worry, you'll know exactly what to say. Finally, you'll put everything together. Marhaba, كيف حالك? بخير, شكرا. اسمي سارة. تشرفنا. You don't need any previous Arabic experience. Just listen, repeat, practice, and start speaking. Welcome to Arabic for Absolute Beginners. And there's one more thing waiting for you at the end. Complete the course, take the final assessment, and once you successfully complete it, you'll unlock your certificate of completion.